look at here in this first problem. 120 is given, right? 120 factorization. I'll do factorization of 120 and 180, 240. All together I can take. It's easy to take all together when you're solving LCM. So
I
start.
didn't know that.
Yeah, I'll show you that two methods. I'll show you two methods. So start with number 2. 2 times 60, 2 times 90, 2 times 180. 2 times 30, 2 45s, 2 60s, 2 15s, 45 is not possible, 2 30s. Still continuing. Again, I'll take 2 tables still one more time. 15 is not possible, 45 is not possible in 2 table, 2 15s 30. So there is no number will divide by 2, right? So just go with next prime number 3. 3 5s 15, 3 15s 45, again 3 5s 15. Still continuing. I'll take 3 again. So because 15 goes, right? 3 5s and 5. So every number is divisible by 5. 1 1 1. So LCM is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So how many 2s? 4 2s, 2 3s 5. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 to 16, 16 3s 48, 48 into 15, right? Calculate that. Let me check. 48 into 15 will be 720. So the answer is 720. This is one way. I'll show you the separate method. I'll show you in the other way. Do you understand here?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the 120 factors I get? 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 180 factors are 2 times 2, 4, 3 times 3 and 5. 240 factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. Let us check these factors correct or wrong first. 120 already we have done. For 180, 2 to 4, 4 times 9 and 5. Correct only. 2 to 4 is 16. 16 into 15 is 240. The bottom one also correct. We got factors correct only. So after getting correct factors, let me highlight. This is common 2. This is 2. And let's take this 3. And let's take this 5. So what do you get here? LCM 2, 2, 3, 5. After that, okay, there is one more combination we can take. If there is a common thing, there is one more combination we have to take. If 2 is common, at least 2 numbers, you can take it. Okay, 2 is common in that, you can also take it. So 2 is common in 2 at least, then you can take it. So 2 also taken common. So after that, what is remaining? 3, 2. Got it? 3 into 2. Now let us multiply. Okay, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 60, 62 is 120, 126 720. Got it? Copy this out. Understand this one?
Mm.
Yeah.